Endometriosis. Introduction.
What are the two main functions of the ovaries? Choose one of the following options. 1. Ovulation and menopause. 2. Production of hormones and ovulation.
Correct. The ovaries are responsible for making female hormones and for releasing eggs needed for reproduction. The ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone as a result of the pituitary gland secreting LH and FSH.
Select true or false.
Correct. The hypothalamus secretes GnRH, which causes the pituitary gland to secrete LH and FSH, and that causes the ovaries to secrete estrogen and progesterone. Symptoms of endometriosis only occur during a woman's period, along with other symptoms of menstruation.
Select true or false.
Correct. During the menstrual cycle, misplaced endometrial tissue goes through the same changes as the endometrium in the uterus. However, symptoms of endometriosis may occur at any other time as well. The only way endometriosis can be seen is by doing a laparoscopy.
Select true or false.
Correct. A laparoscopy is a surgical procedure used to look at the inside of the abdomen using special scopes. Hormonal treatments used for women with endometriosis will stop the menstrual cycle.
Select true or false.
Correct. Hormonal treatments usually cause menstruation to stop.
Thank you for using Explain.